I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable Duolingo friend streaks. Step 1. Open the Duolingo app and then tap the ellipses icon in the menu. Step 2. Tap Profile in the menu that opens. Your Duolingo profile screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap Settings on this screen. Step 4. Navigate to the Account section and then tap Preferences. The associated menu opens. Step 5. Tap to toggle off friend streaks. Turning off friend streaks in Duolingo will break any active friend streaks you have going. It won't remove those people from your friend list, but it does end the shared streak progress that you had with them. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.